The BigRep 3D printer is a large area format style of printer. We use that for all of our prototyping as well as finished completed parts. So right now we're printing a front corner of the bumper of the Nikola tray. So an engineer will provide me a model, and I'll take that model, put it into the slicer software, and do my CAD work. Once that's done, I send it directly over to the BigRep machine and start the printing process. Printing process can take anywhere from a couple of hours to a couple of days. It just depends on the size. The parts are very, very accurate. They come off within 300 micron accuracy. Once they come out of the machine, they go right onto a truck.